Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to download an Instagram reel without a watermark. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Instagram application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, and once you have opened it up, search for Instagram, download the application and log into your Instagram account. So once you have logged in, you are going to go and be greeted by the homepage. Your homepage is going to look like this. This is going to be our feed where we can get started scrolling and finding the reels we want to download. So guys, how do you download a reel without a watermark? It's very easy. Basically, what we want to do is first find the reel we want to download. So go ahead and find the reel and you're going to copy its link. So we can use the share button right here to go ahead and copy the link, and by copying the link, this is going to go ahead and enable us to go ahead and use that link for downloading. So now what we're going to do is open up our Safari web browser and search for downloading reels without watermark. This is going to bring up a ton of websites that we can use. You can use any of the websites right here, such as Fast Video Save or Snap Insta. Multiple websites are all going to be giving you this feature, and you can use any of that you prefer. So you can try them out. Basically, it's going to enable you to open them up and get started with pasting that link to the reel that you want to download. It's going to enable you to download a video without any watermark. So it's going to save just the video, and basically that's how easily you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.